Learn how to make aluminium boat paint. Imagine aluminium boats stained, pressed, and protected no matter the weather or the water. But here's the secret. It is all about the right paint. In today's video, I'll teach you how to produce a high quality aluminium boat paint, perfect for lasting, durability, and ultimate production. Aluminium boat paint isn't just about aesthetic appeal. It protects your boat from corrosion, saltwater damage, and wear and tear. Whether you are an aesthetic or a professional, knowing how to create the perfect paint can save you time, money, and stress. There are various types of aluminium boat paint to meet specific needs. So, one, aluminium specified primer. This paint is a base coat for superior adoration. Two, polythermal top coat for a high glossy protective finish. Remember, we are talking about aluminium boat paint. If you want to know more about other types of paint, you can watch the video on different types of boat paint. But for today, we are treating aluminium boat paint and under aluminium boat paint we have various type of aluminium boat paint. So that is why I'm taking my time to explain it for you to have the better understanding and knowledge about these different types of aluminium boat paint. So number three is anti-fouling paint. So anti-fouling aluminium paint stops barricades and agri and fungi from attaching the pot. Number four, epoxy coating. This is the ultimate shield against harsh chemicals. Five, non-sheet deck paint. This paint ensures safety with slip resistance and protection. So like I said, most of these aluminium paints, we have them also in the different types of paint. You understand? But the production process, it is that is what makes the paint different from every other types of paint. So here is the advanced formulation for 20 liters of durable aluminium boat paint. Like I said, I promised I was going to give the right measurements and production process on how to produce your own aluminium boat paint. So our number one chemical is epoxy resin 5 kg. This is the backbone for durability. Number two is aluminium pigment paste. Yes, we have different types of pigment used in paint production. We have the pigment for gloss enamel paint, which is the oil-based paint, and then we have pigment for water-based paint. So this aluminium pigment paste I'm talking about, it is a pigment paste for aluminium oil-based paint. So please do not make the mistake to go and use water-based pigment paste for the production of aluminium boat paint. Take note, please. It is the aluminium pigment paste for for oil-based paint. So we're going to be using 2 kg. This gives the metallic finish. Number three is titanium dioxide, 1.5 kg for opacity and brightness. Number four is zinc chrominate, 1 kg. This enhance the corrosion resistance. Number five is talcum powder, 2 kg. This chemical adds smoothness to the paint. And number six is xylene, 5 liters. This is a solvent for perfect viscosity. So if you've been following this channel, I know by now you should be getting familiar and used to these chemicals. Number seven is anti-settling agent, which you can make use of your easy gel. And of course, we have flow modifier. So these chemicals ensure the quality of the paint. And then we have curing agent, 2.5 gram. This chemical ensures the durability and strength of the paint. let's get started with the production process. Clean your tools and wear your safety gear because it is very important to make sure you are putting on your safety gear to prevent any touch from most of the chemicals. Now, pour 5 kg of epoxy resin into a clean mixing tank and stir for 5 minutes. Gradually add the aluminium pigment paste, titanium dioxide, zinc chromate, and talcum powder and stir for 15 minutes to make sure all these chemicals blend together. Add anti-settling agent and flow modifier while stirring continuously. If you notice, I say stir continuously. Do not add any of these chemicals and stop stirring. No, please. You keep stirring. So now pour in 5 liters of saline to achieve the desired consistencies. Finally, mix the curing agent and stir for 10 minutes to make sure all the chemical blends evenly. Once you've mixed all the chemicals together for 10 minutes, it is now time for you to filter the paint to remove impurity and package it in 20 liters container. Yes, I know most of you will be like, filter the paint. Why? Yes, it's very important to filter your paint if you want your paint to stand the best of time. Now, to achieve a flawless finish, first, clean the aluminium surface thoroughly. Apply an aluminium specified primer first. Yes, if you're not aware, there is aluminium primer paint. If you want me to create a step-by-step production process for aluminium primer, let me know in the comment section below. I'll create a video on how to produce aluminium primer paint. So now, number 3, use a brush, roller or spray gum to apply the paint evenly. Let each coat dry for 6 to 8 hours before reapplying. And then you allow for about 24 to 48 hours for fully curing before exposing the surfaces to water. So after this part simply means after you've applied the primer and you've applied the top coat and you've allowed it to dry for like 6 to 8 hours, and then you apply the final aluminium paint on it, you now have to allow the boat to rest for 24 to 48 hours for it to cure properly before exposing it to water, before using it on the water. Choosing the right paint not only protects your boat, but also extend its lifespan and save you money on maintenance by learning to make sure, as in by learning how to make your own aluminium boat paint, you can gain control over quality and cost. Ready to take control of your boat protection? Start making professional grade aluminium boat paint today. For an exclusive guide with additional tips, tricks, you can grab our ebook at a discount price by clicking the link below to place your order. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for more expert tutorial. Keep creating. Until next time. Bye for now.